Welcome. If you want to open Sound Equalizer of your Symfonisk bookshelf, at first you have to be in the Sonos application, then tap on the system. Next you have to click on the Office right here. Just basically choose your product, and then the EQ you will find right here. As you can see here, we can set up bass and the treble by using these sliders on the right or the left. Here we can enable or disable loudness, whatever it is. So here we can increase or decrease, just like that. And you can reset by tapping right here. Of course, you are not going to reset your speaker, you are going to reset this equalizer setup. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.